Good morning, families. I just wanted to talk to you about math. So we're going to take a look at Tuesday. So as you see, I clicked the Tuesday link, and I'm going to scroll down to the first and second grade exit tickets. As you see, there are multiple exit tickets for each. And by the way, you can click these and make them bigger so that you can print or see them better. For second grade, there are also multiple. First graders need to do 2 exit tickets a day, about 2 a day, to keep up with our curriculum so we can be finished by the end of the year. So for example, today they would do lesson 11, and lesson 12. Tomorrow they would do lesson 13 and then 14 and continue with that pattern of 2 a day. Second graders just need to do 1 exit ticket a day. So for example, today they would do lesson 7, tomorrow lesson 8, and then lesson 9. I've seen a lot of families turn in the whole packet on the first day of the week and then asking, where's the rest of their math work? So this is it for the whole week. Sometimes kids like to rush through it. I like for them to pace themselves so they have time to practice math every day. So even if they know how to do all of it, try to keep it to 1 a day for second graders and 2 for first graders, just to keep them practicing their math skills every single day. All right, thanks for listening.